merge or combine PDF files with Doxillion. Click Add Files to upload your PDFs. Then use Select All to choose them. On the Home tab, click Merge PDFs button. In the Merge PDFs window, arrange your files using the arrow buttons or by dragging them to the desired position. When you're ready, click Merge and save your new PDF file. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to merge PDF files with Doxillion. To start merging PDFs in Doxillion, click on the Add Files button to select your PDF documents, or drag and drop your files into the application. Once added, the files will appear in the main file list. If you want to merge all the files, you can simply click the Select All button. If you prefer to merge only specific documents, hold down the Ctrl key while clicking on each individual file you want included. After adding at least one PDF, the Merge PDFs button will appear under the Home tab. You can now combine selected PDFs from the main file list into a single PDF using the Merge PDFs option on the toolbar. It's also possible to merge non-PDF files, provided the output format is set to PDF. Note that you must select at least 2 files to perform a merge. Once your files are selected, click the Merge PDFs button to open the Merge PDFs dialog. Inside the Merge PDFs dialog, you can organize the order of the files. By default, files are listed according to the order they were added. You can rearrange them by dragging and dropping a file into the desired position, or by selecting a file and using the Move Up and Move Down buttons found on the right-hand side of the window. Moving a file up or down changes its position in the final merged document. Once you're satisfied with the file order, click the Merge button at the bottom of the dialog. A window will appear where you can enter a file name and choose the location to save your newly merged PDF. After the merging process is complete, you can click Open File to view your merged PDF, or Open Folder to quickly access the location where it is saved. For more Doxillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.